Welcome to RTX-2101 and 2801 Wall Channel Installation Training. Prior to installation, survey the mounting location. If there are no variations or discrepancies, proceed with mounting the wall channels. Refer to the contract-specific drawings for details on your installation. Subassembly of the wall channel is recommended before attaching it. Refer to the contract-specific drawing for details. To install the wall channel, measure the locations of the anchors. Use a chalk line or laser level to ensure the anchor locations are aligned. Temporarily mount the wall channel assemblies using an anchor in an alternate location. Ensure the clips on the wall channel are level and plumb across the entire fascia. And ensure the vertical members are aligned. If measurements are off, adjust the structure or plan ahead for adjustments when installing the sections. After verifying the wall channels are level and plumb, install a dead load anchor into the wall channels.